What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your DC27 bag. So along with the bag itself, you also get this strap here which we can attach to the bag as another way to transport it from gig to gig. Now if we take a look at the bag, you'll see we have many different compartments that we can use between the pockets on the front, and there's two compartments that are closed off by these zippers here. So let's take a look at both of them, starting with the main compartment. So to open the main compartment, you're just going to use the second set of zippers here. So we'll go ahead and open them out now. And now we can lift the top of the bag, and here we have the main compartment. So when you look inside, you'll see these dividers here which will make different sections for your bag. And this is just one of the many ways we can section off the bag. So right now we have 6 different pockets that we can use, which is great for smaller items like cables, microphones, tiny mixers or interfaces, and much more. So to demonstrate, I have some items right here that I'm going to place inside of my bag. So I can start by just taking each item and placing them into their own section, which is really neat. So because everything is now in their own section, we have everything nice and organized, so we know what to pull from when we need to set up for our gig or event. And what's also really cool is that these dividers are Velcroed, so we can take them out and rearrange them if we need, so we have a fully customized set. So to show how that works, we can take out the middle ones because they have Velcro on each end, so we can just rip it off of these two dividers like so. See, we got one detached right here. We can go ahead and do the same thing for these other small dividers, just like this. And then we can do the exact same thing with the long divider here. And you'll see in the middle, we also have the non-sticky Velcro, which makes it so we can attach or detach the smaller dividers. The bag also comes with 2 extra long dividers here in case we wanted to further customize our different areas inside. You'll also notice that 2 of these long dividers also have Velcro in the middle, so we can attach or detach the smaller dividers. And now with all of this extra room, we can place bigger items inside, like our DJ table here, for example. You'll also notice these straps inside, so that this way we can keep our items nice and snug and keep them from sliding around when we're transporting the gear. So when we're placing our DJ table inside, we can start by undoing these straps here like so. I'm gonna do the same exact thing with the other side here. Now we can place our DJ table inside of the bag. And then we can go ahead and close up these straps on top. So now you'll notice we have some extra room on the sides of our DJ table, which we can easily fix by taking 2 of our dividers here and just stuffing them on each side of the DJ table. And with that, our table now fits inside nice and snug. So now let's say we wanted to customize the inside of the bag around the dimensions of the gear that we're bringing. We can easily do that because of the Velcro dividers. So for example, I can start by taking our mixer here and placing that inside of the bag. And now I have a better idea of which divider I can use to section off the mixer. So I'm gonna take the long divider here with the Velcros on the side and place that right next to my mixer like so. So now I want to make a section in the middle for my cables, so I can take a small divider here and place that in the middle and attach it to the Velcro on the side of my long divider. And then I can close this section off by taking another long divider with the Velcro in the middle and placing it right in the middle like this. And now I have 2 sections here for my cables. Now with the last section here, I can take a small mixer and place that inside. And I still have some room on top to fit my interface, just like this. And we still have some extra dividers in case there's any wiggle room with the items inside of each section. And the possibilities are truly endless for however you want to section off your bag. Once you're all done, you can zip up the compartment, which has the YKK zippers, so you can run a padlock through for extra security. Don't forget, we also have a compartment on top of the main compartment, which we can open up with these top zippers here. And you'll see this section has 2 pockets inside with a big pocket here and a small pocket right next to it. So we can even use these pockets for our mixers, small laptops, and much more. Next, we have the front pockets here that provide even more room and extra sections to carry our gear. So if we take a look inside of the small pocket here, you'll see that we have these wire straps, which is handy to use with our cables or wires so that they don't get detangled inside and they stay nice and organized from our travel. There's even a pocket outside of this pocket so we can fit smaller items like our microphones, cables, pedals, etc. Then we have this big pocket right next to our small pocket, which has a ton of space for smaller items. And again, there's an outer pocket here for more items like microphones, pedals, and much more. Another really cool thing about this bag is the rubber feet on the bottom, which we can use to keep the bag nice and sturdy while we're placing it down to get ready for our gig. Now we also have many different ways we can transport our bag. For example, we have these top straps here, which Velcro together to make a nice handle for the bag so we can pick it up and go. We also have the included strap that attaches right to the bag so we can carry the bag on our shoulder. To attach the strap, you're gonna take these latches here and line them up to the rings on each side of the bag. So I'm gonna take one of the latches here and just clip it onto the ring just like this. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side here. So we're gonna take the latch, clip it onto the ring, just like that. From here, we can adjust the length of the strap to whatever's most comfortable when we're transporting it around. And the last way we can transport our bag is by using the backpack straps here on the bottom of the bag. So to set that up, you're just gonna pull each of these backpack straps from the pouch here on the bottom of the bag. Each of these straps also have a latch that attaches to these rings here towards the bottom. So we're just gonna clip them on just like this. And we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side here. And just like that, we can transport our bag around like a backpack. The straps can also be adjusted to be tighter or looser depending on what's most comfortable. And there's also a buckle in the middle for extra support when you're wearing the bag. And lastly, we have this handle right here that we can use to pick up the bag. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your DC27 bag. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.